Hello, I'm Chris Taylor, President and CEO of Taylor Homes. At Taylor Homes, we understand how important building and owning a new home is for you. Beginning this journey is a big decision. We want your experience to be as comfortable, convenient, and cost-effective as possible. In fact, we were awarded the Better Business Bureau's Torch Award for Marketplace Ethics. This prestigious award sets us apart from other builders and demonstrates our commitment to our valued customers, employees, and business associates. We have constructed thousands and thousands of homes in a 5-state area. This experience provides you peace of mind, and our volume buying power provides us incredible savings, which we pass along to you, our valued customer. We also take quality and value seriously as well. We welcome you to explore and discover the benefits and value of choosing Taylor Homes as your builder. Thank you.
Now you've got a home.